Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a really quick and easy meal idea. I did this meal after a workout. It's not today, it's from another day, but I needed to film an intro because I don't plan on doing a voiceover or nothing like that, and I didn't talk in the video. So this is my intro, just letting y'all know, it's not gonna be all cinematic, but I get a lot, and I mean a lot of requests on Instagram to record when I cook or give recipes and stuff like that. So when I started cooking this, I was like, let me go ahead and just pick up my camera and record, and however it comes out is how it comes out. I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna put it up. So here you are. Now with the curry sauce, it's not actually a sauce, it's a marinade, so I would suggest using it as a marinade. I just didn't have time to do that, so yeah, actually use it as a marinade and then cook your shrimp. But it was still good. I just think it could have been better if I had used it as a marinade, as the purpose of it is. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you try this out, let me know how you like it. Share a picture on Instagram and tag me in it so I can see, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.